Welcome back to the channel. I'm leaving work. We're on the Gixxer. Thought we'd have a little MOTOVLOG session today. It's the 4th of July. Yes, I had to work and I did not have a problem with it because this job is actually pretty fun, even though I'm not fully into it yet. But I will be soon. We had to do certification tests. Anyway, I'm a sales specialist at the Nissan dealership, and I am ready for that. Ready for that 400Z, or as they call the Nissan Z, to come out, the 2023. We'll have those sometime, probably before the end of the year, just guessing. But that's a twin turbo 4.0 liter V6. Stock horsepower is like 400. I'm really tempted to trade in for one of those when they come. Yep. We got to go home early today though, but I really enjoy this job. We get to drive all the cars and move them around, take them to clean up, go pick up cars. I dislike red lights. We have a 370Z on the lot. I really like it a lot too. 6-speed manual, and that's what I would get in the 400 is a 6-speed manual. Because that's the only way to drive those cars. Oh, and by the way, a little update on this bike. It needs the rotor. I think I got a warped rotor because it makes a little racket when it coasts. So I've got a brand new set of rotors and brake pads to install. And I will do a video on that job when I get time to do it. to be washed. Yeah, it's been a little while since I've posted a video. Got to keep the subscribers happy. Also excited when the new electric cars come out or come in. We're supposed to be getting some of those possibly by the end of the month. We are the only charging station in the whole area right now. Also, you can charge your Tesla or any other EV at our store, which I think is pretty cool, but it kind of makes me wonder why others haven't, because the electric vehicles have been more popular around here. You're starting to see them more on the road. Although I prefer fuel, but I do prefer fuel efficiency. It just kind of, I don't know. I just hope they don't make the cost of supercharging your vehicle at a charging station as much as it costs to fill up a tank of gas. That just, I mean, you're offsetting one form of energy for another, and you're trying to still squeeze the same amount of money out, and to me that's just wrong. If it's cheaper to produce the electricity to provide for the vehicle, then that should be significantly cheaper. I mean, extremely significantly cheaper. But that's just how some businesses are. They think they might make it 10% cheaper, even though it should be 80% cheaper. And of course, any of you people can express your opinion on this matter in the comments, but that's just the way I feel about it. That was weird. They just took off down the road. You know it's hot today when your temperature gauge is reading 204 and you've been not even running long enough to get it up to temperature normally. Is the darn light? Well, I don't have no cars behind me, but man, it's hot right here. It's like beaming down some heat. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and we will be sure to post some more soon. This video is brought to you by Nissan and a bunch of other cool things. Peace out. Post some more soon. This video is brought to you by Nissan and a bunch of other cool things. Peace out.